Make sure the printer is turned on, then tap this icon to turn on the interior light. Tap the maintenance icon, cleaning the maintenance parts, and around the head. Tap Next. Remove the platen. Then tap Start. The printhead moves to the maintenance position so you can begin cleaning. Finish cleaning as quickly as possible. The printhead nozzles can become clogged if the printhead stays in the maintenance position for too long. Open the printer cover. Place a metal or plastic tray or a sheet of paper under the printhead to prevent dirt from getting inside the printer. Using a cloth dampened with water, wipe the area shown. Using the cup included with your cleaning kit, pour ink cleaner up to the first mark. Soak a new cleaning stick in the ink cleaner. Use the cleaning stick to wipe away ink or dust from the outer edges of the nozzles. Wipe the edges of the bottom surface of the printhead. Wipe around the edges of the printhead. Remove the tray or paper, then close the cover. When you're finished, tap Done. The platen base and printhead move back to their original position. Reinstall the platen. Then perform a nozzle check.